Okay, Pencil, time for your magic. Doodle-doodle-doo. Here we go. Now, this is more like it. This floor is making me dizzy. Wait, it's just a drawing. Cool. I know what this is. This kind of trick is called an optical illusion pencil. This castle is full of optical illusion tricks. It's time to play Imogee and Imogen at their own game. Woo! Down here. Do you like the ladder I drew? I'm going to use it to climb to the top.
Oh, you can't do that. It's cheating.
Actually, it's an optical illusion. The ladder isn't real. It's kind of like your stairs that look like they'll take you to the top, but never do.
Oh, you got me. I love illusions. What other illusions can you draw?
I'll show you, but only if you promise to show me how to get to my bedroom when I'm done. I'm tired.
It's a deal.
Okay, then. Prepare to be all ooh, ah, oh.
Ooh, that looks so real. Amazing. It's a dog. Or is it a rabbit? I can't tell.
Wait a second. Imogee, your voice. How come you sound like Imogen now?
You got me again. If I stand on my hands, I'm Imogen. And if I stand on my feet, I'm Imogee.
You're an optical illusion too.
Oh, with all this rain, I don't get out much. I keep myself busy.
It's morning. Come on, I've one last thing to show you.
A rainbow! Nature's optical illusion. Amazing.
Yep.
And my very own umbrella. I'll finally be able to go outside. Bye, Doodle Girl. Thanks for visiting.
But what about the comfy bed with the fluffy and the river? You're right, Pencil. We've got to get going anyway. Sun's up, fun's up. Doodle